It was this one. The power just went out. I heard this loud, like, buzzing sound. Oh, shit. Is this tree on the line? Oh my God, what's going on? Oh, fuck. There was that sound again. It keeps coming on and off. I don't know what that sound is. I don't know what that sound is. It went, Oh God. This tree is gonna come down on that wire if it already has it. Get back. Get back, only mommy. It's a dog, folks, not a kid. That's what I think went out. I hear something snapping. I hear something snapping. And I think it's going to be one of these tree limbs here. It's already on the wire. I don't know if that's what happened or not. And then this one over here. That sound keeps coming. I don't like this, but I'm gonna stand out here and record it anyway. It sounds like a fucking train. I can't really see anything up the road. I guess my lights are back on. Hell, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. But I have a feeling some of those limbs are going to be coming down. Oh, fuck. My dress keeps going up. I'm wearing my nightgown and the wind blew it up. Oh, my God. Jesus. I was in the middle of a Netflix show, too. My gosh.